Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today we're talking about the Windows Snipping Tool. What is it? It's an easier way of doing screenshots inside of your Windows PC, as opposed to hitting print screen, opening up the Windows Paint tool, pasting it and saving it. This tool does everything right there for you in one convenient program. To activate it, all you gotta do is go down to the Windows search bar, type in snipping, there it is, we'll hit enter, and it'll pop up this little window here. And this will allow us to take a little square, a click and drag square, of our screen so that we can save it for later. And look, there it is, it's already done and ready to go. We can just hit the little floppy disk button to save it as just a picture on our hard drive, or we can use the pen tool to add like a little smiley face. Or maybe your buddy at work, you need to tell them to put text over here. You can also highlight some text. All the fancy things that you'd hope to be able to do on the fly, you can do right here. It even allows you to record in different modes, like specifically take a picture of whatever window is active. You can do the rectangular snip, which I would just assume is the one that you'd want to go to for the most part, or you just trace whatever you want to take a screenshot of. It's a pretty handy and powerful tool. I fully recommend it. Makes screenshots a lot easier as opposed to paying for a premium copy of that other software that I use called Giazzo. So that's it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. This is the Windows Snipping Tool. You can just bind it to your taskbar down here by right-clicking it, and it's screenshots made easy. Hope you found this useful, and I'll catch you next time.